Right now, the energy sentiment score is flat at plus 0.00, but what really stands out is the momentum dropping to minus 0.05. This indicates a potential shift in sentiment that deviates from the historical baseline, suggesting a lull in positive energy sentiment amidst a backdrop of 16 semantic clusters. You might want to dig deeper here. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including sentiment scores and momentum shifts. One practical use case. Integrate this data to enhance your trading algorithms, allowing you to adjust strategies based on real-time sentiment shifts. For deeper insights and to explore our API capabilities, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something great together.